Jennifer here. I am one of the territory managers for Group Stahl, and I'm here today to talk to you guys about pressure. Overpressure, underpressure. With all of the products we sell, whether it's at Stahls or Transfer Express, we give you the recipe. We take the guesswork out of it for you. We want to ensure that you have successful application, durability, and longevity of all of our products. So we always give you recommended pressure settings. But I can't tell you how many shops and businesses I walk into and they're either over-pressurizing the product or under-pressurizing the product for various reasons. So let's dive in and really talk about the impacts that that might have on your apparel and your heat press. We're going to start with too little pressure. Oftentimes, people will get scorch marks, box marks, platen marks on their various fabrics. Their knee-jerk reaction or their inclination is to back off on the pressure so that they don't get those results. That is 100% the wrong way to go about it. What you really want to make sure is that you're marrying the right product for your fabric. Nice low temperature products for your more heat-sensitive fabrics. Too light pressure results in the transfer not releasing cleanly off the liner or the paper carrier. It might gum up and not release clean. That would be worst case scenario. But the real true underlying scary culprit is it releases off the liner or the carrier. It looks beautiful leaving your shop or your business, but a few weeks later, your customer wears it, washes it a handful of times, it starts to crack, peel, and lift off the garment. That is a true indication that the recipe hasn't been followed. That is a result of too little pressure and would be a horrible situation to get into. So definitely making sure that you're following the recommended time, temperature, and pressure is going to be key for not only a beautiful looking garment and transfer, but accurate and durable longevity transfer. We stand behind 50 wash and dry cycles as long as you're following the recommended recipe that we give you. On the flip side of that, I deal with a lot of customers that might be new in the business or a little bit hesitant, so they tend to want to use too much pressure because they really want to make sure that transfer is going to stick to that fabric. I am here to reassure you that the pressure settings we recommend have been put through lab-tested 50 wash and dry results. We know that the pressure we're recommending is the accurate pressure for that product. So just follow the recipe. Too much pressure really results in the adhesive on the back of your screen printed transfer, your digital transfer, or even your heat transfer vinyl from having nowhere to go but oozing out around the vinyl or the ink or the digital print. When you're using too much pressure, it's very, very noticeable. It's like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. You smash it, it has nowhere to go but out the sides. That is a true indication that you are using too much pressure. Another negative result of too much pressure is when you go to wash and wear it. With too much pressure, if you are smashing the ink or the vinyl literally into the fibers of the fabric, they can often crack and peel in wash with too much pressure, or bubble and pucker as well. So again, just making sure you're following those recommended pressure settings is really going to set you up for success. And then last but certainly not least, the negative impacts on your heat press with over pressurizing your heat press time and time again. You're wearing out your parts, you're wearing out your shocks, your bearings, all of the crucial parts that are needed to support your heat press, in addition to the pressure mechanism inside of the heat press as well. The better you take care of the heat press, the better you maintain it, the longer it's going to last for you. If you're constantly using too much pressure on your press, you're going to find yourself having to replace parts and, worst case scenario, replace your heat press. So again, we recommend just the recommended settings for the product that you've purchased from us. For more information on any of these products that we've shown you, click the links below in our description. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow and like us.